Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how to transfer crypto from Binance to Uniswap step by step. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Binance account, and then what you have to do is, in order to transfer crypto from Binance to Uniswap, you need to follow these steps. You have to create and connect a non-custodial wallet such as MetaMask to your Uniswap, and you can download MetaMask as a Chrome extension and follow the instructions to set up your account and backup phrase. You also need to add the network that you want to use for sending crypto, such as ERC20 or BEP20, to your MetaMask wallet. So first you have to log in into your Uniswap by opening it in your browser, and then you can see that it's going to bring you to this interface. You have to click this launch app button over here, and then you have to just copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking on the receive icon and scanning the QR code or selecting the copy icon. Make sure you check the last 4 digits of your wallet address to ensure you are sending to the correct address. And then you have to log in into your Binance account and go to the fiat and spot section under the wallet. Click on the withdraw button and select the coin and network that you want to withdraw. Paste your MetaMask wallet address in the recipient field and enter the amount that you want to send. Confirm the transaction in details and authenticate your transfer. Wait for the transaction to be processed and confirmed by the network. You can check the status of your transaction on Binance or on a blockchain explorer, and once the transaction is completed, you can see your Binance on your MetaMask wallet and use Uniswap to swap, pool or stake your crypto. This is a general guide for transferring crypto from Binance to Uniswap. I hope you liked the video and understood the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.